Hello everyone, myself Prasant. Today I'm here with the topic acid rain. Moving towards the introduction of acid rain, it is a form of precipitation that contains high levels of acidic components. It is primarily caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from human activities. It can have a detrimental effect on the environment, including damage to forests, lakes, and buildings. The formation of acid rain. Acid rain is formed when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides combine with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere. These gases are released from burning fossil fuels, industrial processes, and vehicle emissions. The resulting acid rain can be transported over long distances before falling to the ground. The effect of acid rain on the environment. Acid rain can lead to acidification of soil, making it difficult for plants to absorb necessary nutrients. It can damage and kill trees, resulting in forest decline. Acid rain can also acidify lakes and streams, leading to the death of aquatic life. Acid rain in India. India is one of the countries which is heavily impacted by acid rain. The main sources of acid rain in India are industrial emissions, transportation, and agricultural practices. The major contributors to acid rain in India are sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions from coal-fired power plants and vehicles. Now looking forward to impact on Indian forests, acid rain has led to the decline of forests in India, particularly in regions with highly industrial activities. The acidification of soil affects the growth and health of trees, leading to reduced biodiversity. It also damages the leaves of trees and making them more susceptible to disease and pests. Acid rain and agriculture in India. Acid rain can have adverse effect on agricultural productivity in India. Acidic soil conditions hinder nutrients absorption by crops, leading to reduced yields. Acid rain can also contaminate water sources used for irrigation, further impacting agricultural output. Acid rain and water bodies. Acid rain has severe consequences of water bodies in India, including lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. Acidification of water bodies affects aquatic life, leading to a decline in fish populations. Acid rain induced population in water sources also impacts human populations that rely on these sources for drinking and irrigation. Health implications of acid rains. Acid rain can have detrimental effect on the human health in India. Inhalation of pollutants from acid rain cause respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis. Acid rain also contaminate the food sources, leading to potential health risk for the population. The Indian government has taken measures to reduce acid rain, including the implementation of emission control regulations. The National Clean Air Program aims to reduce pollution levels and improve air quality in India. Efforts are being made to promote renewable energy sources and reduce the dependence on fossil fuels. The international cooperation on acid rain. India actively participates in international forums and agreements to address acid rain. The country is a signatory to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and the Paris Agreement. Collaborative efforts with other countries and organizations help in sharing knowledge and best practices for acid rain mitigation. Future outlook and challenges. Despite efforts, acid rain remains a significant environmental challenge in India. Rapid industrialization, urbanization, and population growth poses challenges in reducing pollution levels. Continuous monitoring, stricter regulation, and public awareness campaigns are crucial for combating acid rain. And concluding, acid rain is a serious environmental issue with detrimental effect on ecosystem and human health. The case study on acid rain in India highlights the impact of industrial emission and agricultural practices on the environment. Addressing acid rain requires collective efforts from governments, industries, and individuals to reduce pollution and promote sustainable practices. Now we have one more topic, ozone layer depletion. Moving towards the introduction, ozone layer depletion refers to the thinning of the ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere. It is primarily caused by the release of certain chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. Ozone layer depletion has significant environmental consequences, including increased UV radiation reaching the Earth's surfaces. The importance of ozone layer. The ozone layer plays a vital role in protecting living organisms from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. It prevents most of the UVB and all UVC radiation from reaching the Earth's surface. UV radiation can cause various health issues, including skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune systems. The cause of ozone layer depletion. The primary cause of ozone layer depletion is the release of CFCs and other ozone depleting substances from human activities. CFCs were commonly used in aerosol, propellants, refrigerants, and foam blowing agents. Other significant contributors include halogens, carbon tetrachloride, and methyl chloroform. Now, moving towards the effect of ozone layer depletion. That is, increased UV radiation can harm marine ecosystems by affecting phytoplankton, corals, and other marine organisms. It can also lead to reduced crop yields and affect the productivity to terrestrial plants. Ozone layer depletion has been linked to an increase in skin cancer and cataracts in the humans. Now, some international efforts to address ozone layer depletions. The international community recognized the severity of ozone layer depletion and came together to address it. The Montreal Protocol, signed in 1987, is an international treaty aimed at phasing out the production and consumption of ODS. The protocol has been successfully in the reducing ODS production and has led to recovery of the ozone layer. Ozone layer depletion in India. India has been a significant contributor to ozone layer depletion due to its industrial growth and use of ODS. The major sources of ODS in India includes refrigeration and air conditioning, aerosol propellant, and fire extinguishing agents. India has taken various measures to address ozone layer depletion, including policy interventions and technological advancements. Ozone layer protection measures. The Government of India has implemented the ozone depleting substances rules to regulate the production, import, export, and use of ODS. India has established an ozone cell to coordinate and monitor the implementation of ozone layer protection measures. The country has also encouraged research and development of environmentally friendly alternatives of ODS. The successes in ozone layer protection in India. India has made significant progress in phasing out ODS and reducing their production and consumption. The country has successfully achieved the phase out of CFCs in various sectors, including aerosols and refrigeration. India's efforts have led to a gradual recovery of the ozone layer over the years. The challenges in ozone layer protection in India. Despite progress, challenges remain in enforcing regulations and monitoring ODS use in some sectors. Lack of awareness and limited resources hinders the effective implementation of ozone layer protection measures. The rapid growth of certain industries such as air conditioning possesses challenges in the ensuring sustainable practices. The future outlook and recommendations. Continued efforts are needed to ensure the complete phase out of ODS and promote sustainable alternatives in all sectors. Strengthening public awareness and education campaigns can encourage responsible ODS use and support behavioral changes. Collaborative international efforts and technology transfer can assist India in achieving its ozone layer protection goals. And concluding, ozone layer depletion is a global environmental issue with severe consequences for human health and ecosystem. India has taken significant steps to address ozone layer depletion, but challenges persist. Continued efforts and awareness and international collaboration are crucial for the protection and the recovery of the ozone layer. Thank you.